Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this sugar candy skull tutorial. Please subscribe if you're interested in any makeup tutorials. That is what I do over here on this channel, and I also incorporate some lifestyle videos as well, such as fashion hauls and things like that. So do go ahead and look over at my channel if you would like to see what I'm all about. Without further ado, I'm going to roll on with this video. First things first, you want to go in with a bit of Rich from the Morphe 3502 palette and put that in my crease and smudge it out as much as possible. Next, I'm going to go in with Muddy and Toast from the same palette and just pop that in the corner. Then I'm going to bring that in to the crease slightly. Then I'm going to take the brush I just previously used and just smudge out those edges. I'm going to be taking some concealer. This is LA Girl Pro Conceal. Then I'm going to be cutting that crease. After that, I'm then going to go in with a highlighter from the Imogenation palette called Limited Edition. Mine's got a huge dent in it where my baby girl decided she wanted to poke her finger in it. I'm then going to go back in with Muddy and Toast from the Morphe 3502 palette and just blend in. Then I'm going to go in with Angel Face on the Imogenation palette and pop that in the middle of those two shades. Then I'm going to go back in with Muddy and Toast and just blend. I'm just using the Snazeroo white face paint, and then let me begin. I'm going to go in on the teeth first because it looks like I already have to redo these, seeing as I have been having a nice cup of coffee. Next off, I do the leaf, which I don't know, it kind of gives you like a borderline to go and work with. So yeah. Once you've got that leaf outlined, you then want to do the curly line on this side, on the other side. Remember, this is just an outline at first, and then we go over it all again, and it turns out looking a lot better. Yeah. So don't worry yourself when you're first sketching this out, because you can just rub this off and start again. Then we go up here. Next up, I'm going to do the nose because it's going to be hard to do later on. There we go. So you kind of want a heart going inwards with curlies, and then you want to make a little leaf coming. On a leaf you draw straight lines just going down like that. Now I'm going to go in on the eye, and the way I do that is just follow your bag line all the way around. Once you've done a circle, then the long part, so I'm probably going to skip this part for you because it's going to take ages, but I'll show you a little bit. So now that the eye is complete, the rest of it is pretty much like easy, I would say. Around your cheekbone, and then up here you want to do a curl near the end of near about the corner of the brow, and then go round to that line. Then you want to go and do a heart right next to it. After that, you want to do the line coming from the heart. Obviously, I did do this heart earlier, which is just a plain and simple heart in the middle of your brows. I also done this flower earlier, where you just draw a half circle and then a half circle and colour it in, and then do the flower, like the petals. Yeah, I shaded that in with highlighter as well, if you can see. Right now I'm going to carry on because I keep on blabbing, but yeah. Then for this part here, you kind of want and then you're gonna go ahead and do one. Right, so now you yet again want to go into that white Snazeroo face paint, and you just want to go over and from, I don't know, I'd say about a leaf away, or shaking like that. You just then basically just want to go over it one more time. I'm just going to go over that off camera quickly because this video is probably going to take a little while. We're back. I'm then going to go in with orb, I'm going to go in with orb just to do my shading, and for the shading obviously underneath the cheekbones. Just in here. To do is shade just below the white, if you know what I mean. Obviously I just done above the white at the top there. That doesn't really matter because it's your hairline, but I'll show you what I mean. Just above, like underneath the white, that's it. There we go. Underneath the white, this will make it pop a little bit more. And just a little bit here I done. Next off, we're going to go in with a highlight, and I'm going to just pat that all over my cheekbone. I'm going to take that down here as well. If you can see, I've done it on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on, and I will be right back. So this is the finished look. I hope you all have enjoyed. If you're wondering what I've done with my hair, I just took it out of my French wraps and plopped some hairspray on it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this tutorial, and let me know what you thought of it. Please subscribe, as yet again I'm going to tell you again, I'm going to be doing a lot more Halloween tutorials. Bye!